everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this makeup look here. For today's makeup look I wanted to go for something that was quite elegant and sultry because this video is in collaboration and is sponsored by the jewellery brand Louisa. So Louisa is a jewellery brand based in New York and they just offer everyday luxury pieces such as earrings, bracelets, necklaces, rings. So whenever I was on the website looking through their pieces, I did notice that they do cater for a lot of people. They do have a lot of fine jewellery and they have a lot of statement pieces. I'm the type of girl that I love my statement jewellery. I think we all know this in this channel. I love my jewellery. Take my shoes, my handbags, but just do not take my jewellery. I love my jewellery. And they also have collections such as a love collection because Valentine's Day was just past, and they also have a new collection which is the zodiac collection. So they have like Leo, Cancer, etc, etc. Beautiful earrings for your zodiac sign. Honestly, they are so nice. So just a bit about the jewellery before I actually jump into the video. They do sell really high quality pieces such as their earrings and their necklaces, rings and bracelets, and most of their pieces are actually 14 karat gold and they are designed by artists that have previously worked with the designers Louis Vuitton and Gucci, which I actually thought that was actually quite interesting. I just thought that was pretty cool. All pieces of jewellery are also handcrafted and they also come with a 1-year warranty. So yeah, so we're now just going to get into the jewellery. The exciting part whenever you do purchase a piece from Louisa, this is actually the wee box that it comes in. It is honestly absolutely gorgeous. Just like their jewellery, it just definitely makes a statement. And then whenever you just open this up, obviously it's a really sturdy hard cardboard box. And then you just have your jewellery pieces. Earrings and necklaces are kind of my thing. Obviously I did select 2 items that was my style. These are the wee pouches that your jewellery will come in. They're just like kind of like wee faux suede pouches, obviously to keep your jewellery safe and clean. And then once you open that up you have another wee plastic pouch and it just comes with a wee duster to obviously give your jewellery a clean. And I kind of find that this will come in really handy with myself. That's just what it looks like there, and then it just has like the wee logo imprinted on it. Because I wear so much makeup and fake tan, especially whenever it comes to earrings and necklaces, because the earrings is going to be like touching your face, your necklace is going to be on your chest, and I sometimes put a lot of makeup on my chest, your jewellery is going to get dirty. So I do kind of find that this is a nice wee touch. I've actually never had jewellery before that has came with like wee cleaning pouches or wee cleaning cloths, so that's a really nice wee touch, I kind of thought. So the first piece of jewellery that I did get are the earrings that I'm actually wearing at the minute. So these are the Tia large gold hoops, and as soon as I seen these I just obviously had to pick these. The 2 pieces of earrings that I did pick, I wanted one to be plain yet chic, and I wanted the other pair to make more of a statement and be quite bold. So that's kind of what I done. I kind of wanted to work both ways and just kind of cater and show off both styles. So I don't really think there's much I need to talk about whenever it comes to gold hoops these days. Gold hoops are definitely a must-have in any jewellery box, and I have so many gold hoops, but whenever I've seen these ones, these are not like any other hoops I actually have, because any other hoops I have are quite thin and quite small. They're just pretty basic, but these are actually quite heavy, obviously because they're better quality. These aren't from Primark, but I just loved how bold they are. Even though they are plain and simple, they still do make a statement. Honestly, I kind of feel like hoops just set off any outfit. You pull on a white t-shirt and a pair of jeans, or a jacket, denim jacket, a leather jacket, you know, you can put your hair in a scrunchie, you can do anything. As soon as you put on them hoops, that is your outfit all sorted. It's absolutely perfect. It's amazing what a pair of hoops can do these days. So as I said, these are the large ones. You can get smaller sizes in this. Even though they are large, I was expecting them to be slightly larger, but in saying that, I actually quite like the size of them, because I know myself, I do not like to wear big hoops that literally come down to about here. So I really enjoy the size of these. So the next pair that I got are these wee earrings here, and these are the Kinoko marble earrings. I personally think that these earrings are absolutely beautiful. Usually I don't like anything that's too heavy or too dangly, but these are really comfortable to wear, and also so are these. And also what I love about these is the fact that like the marble, every single earring is actually different because they are hand painted. I just kind of find that they're a really signature piece of earring. I just love the wee drop piece. I also do think that these would be a great wee gifts, and obviously Mother's Day is coming up and I will always get my mum like a wee piece of jewellery here and there. But yeah, obviously I will have the link to Anna Louisa jewellery down below in the description box. They have also been kind enough to share a discount code with me, so I will have a discount code down below also, which will be Emma10 for $10 off the entire website. Obviously go and check that out, just to make it easier for you guys if you are want to check them out. I will have the direct link to these earrings and the marble earrings down below as well in case you are interested, and obviously you can use the discount code for these pieces as well. Definitely do check that out, and if you want to see how I got this makeup look also, then just stay tuned. Okay, so to start off this tutorial, I'm just going to start on the eyes, and I'm going to use the shadow shields. So I'm just going to place this just on the outer corner of my eye, just so we can achieve a really nice sharp crisp line. Then the palette I'm going to use in today's tutorial is the Morphe 25A palette, and the first shade I'm going to go into is this shade just over here. I'm just going to use this first shade just in my crease on a big fluffy brush. So next shade I'm just going to take from the Morphe palette is this shade here. I'm going to take this just on again another smaller blending brush. So I'm just going to start at the outer edge and just start by blending that shade just again into the crease. Keeping that first brush handy, I'm just going to go back in every now and then and just blend those two shades together just to make sure it's all seamless. Next up I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metals, and this is in the shade Bronzed Belle. These are honestly a fantastic wee product, so they are. I'm also just going to use this to cut the crease because there's so much product on the brush, and the way the brush is shaped with the wee applicator, it just kind of means that it's just quick and easy and you can cut the crease with it as well while applying the product. So then just to make that pop a wee bit more, I'm going to take the other Magnificent Metal shade, and this is in the shade Diamond Dust. And I'm just going to pat that shade just on top. Taking a flat shading brush, I'm just going to just diffuse that line a wee bit. Picking up the Morphe palette again, I'm going to take this shade here. I'm going to take that on a packing brush, and I'm just going to use this to darken and deepen up the outer corner beside where we placed the Stila Magnificent Metals. I'm not going to be packing the shade on too much because we are going to go in with a black liner and smoke it out, so I don't need too much darkness. So next up I'm just going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I'm just going to create a wing. So while that liner is still wet, I'm just going to grab a wee short shader brush, and I'm going to start by pressing at the liner just to kind of get some liner on the brush, and then I'm slowly going to work my way up. I'm just going to blend that liner out. So whenever I'm doing this, I'm just wanting to take small baby steps really. I'm not wanting to grab a pile of black eyeshadow and then just go ham. I just want to slowly work my way up. Then I'm going to take the black from the Morphe palette. I'm going to start on the liner. And again, you obviously want to bring it right out to that wing. So, and then I'm just going to take this Stila Magnificent Metals again. I'm going to take that same wee packing shadow shader brush. I'm going to take a bit off the applicator onto the brush. I'm just going to start by packing that on the lid again. So as you can see, I kind of stopped here because I was wanting to continue on with the black. I'm kind of wanting that to kind of fade out to the black, if that makes sense. So there we go. There we have it. That is probably, honestly, the easiest eye makeup tutorial that I will probably ever do. So next up, I'm going to do lashes and mascara. For mascara, I'm going to use the Tarte Tarteist Lash Paint, just this one here. And then for lashes, I'm going to be using the exact same lashes as I used in yesterday's tutorial. They are by Pinky Goat and they're in the style Hannah. Okay, so that is the lashes on. I just went for the wee half lashes, like I said, that I wore yesterday, just because I kind of find that they just really complement this eye makeup look so much. It's kind of like a more of like a cat eye look. Okay guys, so this completes this makeup tutorial. I just didn't do anything on my lower lash line. I just put a wee bit of mascara just on the outer corner. So that's this for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Also, before I go, do not forget to check out Anna Louisa website. It will be linked and listed down below in the description box. And also don't forget to use my discount code, which I will have it on the screen right now, which will be Emma10, and that will get $10 off your purchase. So yeah, that's absolutely fab. Definitely go and check out their designs in the description box below. The jewellery is absolutely beautiful. They have some really, really nice, different and unique pieces. So thank you so much for Anna Louisa for sponsoring this video. And thank you so much for you guys for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video.